In this video, I want to show a very accurate indicator which is built based on machine learning algorithm, and then I will teach you a highly profitable trading strategy by the help of this AI buy sell indicator on TradingView. To add this amazing indicator to our chart, here we click on indicators and we search machine learning. We add this one, machine learning perceptron based strategy, which is written by someone named Capissimo, if I'm pronouncing the name correctly. Alright, this is the indicator, and as you can see, some buy sell signals are added to our price chart in the form of these blue and pink labels. As I said, this indicator is built based on machine learning algorithm. In case if you don't know what machine learning is, it's a branch of artificial intelligence which focuses on using statistical techniques to intimate the way that humans learn. So the system learns from the available data and gradually improves its accuracy. The algorithm used in this indicator is called perceptron. Perceptron is an algorithm for supervised learning of binary classifiers. It's a type of neural network model, perhaps the simplest type of neural network model. I don't get into more details regarding the algorithm behind this indicator. You can check the page of this indicator on TradingView platform. The author has explained all the details regarding the algorithm. The code is also available there, so you can more investigate if you know Pine code scripting. Alright, as you can see, we have some buy sell signals on this price chart that are generated based on perceptron machine learning algorithm. The blue ones are buy signal and the pink ones are sell signals. By default, the signals are filtered based on volatility, and you have also other options like filtering based on volume, both or none of them. Based on what I found, filtering based on volatility is best of them, generating the lower amount of false signals. Please pay attention that by saying false signals, I didn't mean that the signal is totally incorrect. No, this indicator is perfectly identifying every turning points of the market, as you can see. But this is also including the ones that are just pullbacks or short pause in the market. For example, after these buy signals, you can see that after the signals, the market really advanced, but just a little bit, and they were just a pullback during this downtrend. You can clearly see that the price truly increased after these buy signals, but not very good for taking them as a trading signal. But on the other hand, these sell signals are the good ones, and they can provide us profitable trading opportunities. So we need to filter the signals that are against the overall trend of the market. Please pay attention that this indicator also provides a backtesting result here based on all these generated buy sell signals. Let me turn off the dark mode so we can see them. Alright, here it is. Please pay attention that this is just a simple backtesting just to show the accuracy of the signals, to show if the generated signals were correct for a period or not. By default, the holding period is set at 5. So for example, here we have a buy signal and entering in a position and holding it for 5 candles, closing the position here. If after 5 candles the price is higher than the entry price, it's a success. By this consideration, it has win rate of 77%, as you can see here. But this is just a simple backtesting just for evaluating the accuracy of the signals, not profitability of the signals. As you can see, by taking all these signals, including the ones that are against the trend, it has accuracy of something like 77%. And now if we could filter the bad signals, we can significantly increase the accuracy and also to be sure about the profitability of our trades. Because for example, taking a signal like this or this maybe provide higher prices after 5 candle, but not necessarily a profitable trade, as we would expect higher targets based on our risk to reward ratio. So for this purpose, to filter the signals that are against the current direction of the market, here we click on indicators and we search CCI, this one, commodity channel index, and we need to change its settings. Here for the length we set it at 100. Alright, now the CCI will help us with the overall trend of the market. When it's below the center line, the market is in a downtrend, and when it's above the center line, the market is in an uptrend. So when CCI is above the center line, we only take buy signals. We don't take these sell signals, because when they happened, CCI is above the center line. And on the other hand, when CCI is below the center line, we only take these sell signals. We don't care about these buy signals because CCI is below the center line, showing that the market is in a downtrend. By the help of this method, when the market is in a trending phase, most of the false signals are filtered, as you can see, except in situations like this where a reversal is happening in the market, and we may encounter bad signals like this, which doesn't provide good amount of movement for us. And also in times that the market is not trending and it's in a trading range, CCI is not able to tell us about this. So So we can encounter false signals. For example, during this range market here in this part of the chart, these are not confirmed, but these two buy signals are confirmed, as you can see, and they are false signals. We can add another layer of filtration like ADX, this one, average directional index, which will help us to know if the market is trending or not trending. If you're familiar with this indicator, so you know that in times that the ADX line is below 20, it shows a non-trending market. So by the help of ADX, we could easily avoid these two buy signals since the ADX line is below 20. Or in this part, which the market is flat, the ADX also shows the market is flat by being below 20. Or for example here, ADX below 20, showing that the market is flat here. And we could avoid these two sell signals, which were false signals. When they were happening, CCI line was below the center line. So you can see that by adding another filtration layer, which is ADX, we can also filter the false signals that are happening during the times that the market is not trending. This indicator and this method of trading can be used on any time frame, but the most important point that you must pay attention is risk management. There is no trading strategy with 100% guaranteed signals, and losing trades are part of the game, and you need to manage your risk properly. Otherwise, you send your trading account to zero in a very short period of time. There is a risk management strategy that is called 1% rule, and it's a perfect choice for active trading. I have a complete guide to this. The link is also placed in the description of this video, and I highly recommend you to watch it because risk management is the most important factor in your trading success. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video and good luck with your trading.